Those Angeles nights were something else. The blue drinks always tasted of freedom.
This week's topic is a very personal one. Grandpa's about to share something raw, straight from his own past. It's not theory, not rumor. It's pesos, pain, and the truth he had to swallow himself. Listen close, night prowlers. This is one mistake you don't want to repeat. Over to Grandpa.
Today's topic is a very personal one. And if you're thinking it can't happen to you, trust me, kid, it can. What I'm telling you here in Grandpa Knows is always inspired by truth. Real life mishaps, mistakes. Call it what you want. And don't think it only happens to the weak or the foolish, no. It can happen to anyone. Because when you're in the middle of things, you don't always see clearly. Life keeps you busy. You work, you take care of business in your home country, maybe kids, parents, overtime. You're a busy dude. So a few years back, I was that busy dude. And get this, within 1 year, I sent more than 800,000 pesos to a girl. Not a bar girl, nope, but a factory worker down in Laguna. Yes, me, Grandpa, the one sitting here dishing up advice because I have been there, done that. Don't believe Grandpa on this one? Come to Angeles City. Get a couple of blue drinks on the table and I'll happily show you my Remitly app. This is real. I tasted pain and remorse when I could have been tasting the night instead. Here's the thing. Long-distance relationships are hard. You're not together. You're not there. And sometimes doubt creeps in. Is the reality I'm being shown really the reality? That doubt isn't weakness. It's healthy. Things have to feel right and sound plausible. But when the money requests start stacking up, that plausibility starts to crack and the doubt grows. So sit down, kid.
That's how we find the truth, my friend.
Indeed.
This one's about control. Or as I like to call it, who's following who? She says she'll follow you, but in reality, sometimes it's her pulling the strings, not you. At first, it's small. 2,000 pesos for groceries, 500 peso load for her phone, no big deal. But then, her fridge breaks, Mama needs medicine, niece has school fees. One after another, like dominoes falling. And every time you think this must be the last one, another comes along. That's not a love story, kid. That's a maintenance plan. And it creeps. First 5,000 pesos, then 10,000 pesos. Maybe you even told her clear, 10,000 pesos a month, that's what you can expect. And she agreed, seemed happy. But it never ends there, does it? 15,000, 20,000, sometimes 30,000 pesos. And you ask yourself, how the hell did we get here? When your budget blows up without you even noticing, that's a red flag the size of Luzon Island. Here's the deeper trap. She has a problem. You solve it. She gets used to that rhythm. But much worse, so do you. You start to need it. You start to feel like the hero, the fixer, the one who saves the day. She says she's hungry. You send 300 pesos. She's at a cake shop and it's her sister's birthday. You send 600 pesos. That ain't love, kid. That's cake shop romance, and you're footing the bill. Now listen. Grandpa's finger test. Imagine a machine. If 80% of what she's told you this past month is true, the machine spits out $1,000 in crisp $100 bills. But if less than 80% is true, yeah, you lose the finger. So tell me, kid, would you really put your finger in that machine? Enough said. So how do you take back the wheel? Set a hard budget. Write it down. Tell her, this is what I can send, no more. If she respects you, she'll adapt. If not, you'll see her true colors. Separate emergencies from lifestyle. A fridge breaks once, okay, but if every month is an emergency, that's not chance, that's a system. Don't fund the system. Ask for effort, not pesos back. Effort is presence.
I'm just here chilling by the window, enjoying this beautiful afternoon, and it just made me think of you.
A real smile, a small gesture, a sweet, unfiltered selfie saying, I thought of you today. That counts more than any fake invoice. Watch her reaction when you say no. A partner understands limits. A user punishes you for them. Don't be afraid to pull back. Less money, more observation. See how she handles it. Because once you're in the back seat, every mile forward is her agenda, not yours. And trust me, that road don't end in happily ever after. If your love story reads like a shopping list, you're not her man, you're her maintenance plan. Remember, Night Prowler, Angeles ain't just a playground. Walk smart, live smart, and you'll taste the night like a true night prowler. Play dumb and you'll never see the high table. Just another tourist crying at Western Union. Stick with us. Clan 1000 is your survival kit. And never forget, NICO-CINE loves you.
Well, there you have it, lads. Grandpa spilled his guts so you don't have to spill your wallet. Remember, a love story shouldn't look like a bloody receipt book. So keep your head straight, your budget tighter than your belt, and maybe, just maybe, you'll make it to the high table instead of crying at Western Union. Now get your meds sorted, pack that green light from your doctor, and book the damn ticket. 50 isn't 80. In Angeles, you're still a spring chicken. So taste the night, darlings, but don't let the night taste you. Clan 1000's waiting, and NICO-CINE loves you.
Bye! Hope to see you soon.